How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to Sinister Customs. Today, I thought I would just go over how I did the top mount motor mount on my newest creation. So, the only thing you'll really need to buy is this, or I'm sure you could 3D print it as well, and it literally just flips the motor. You'll need longer screws. This is from Mofo RC. It comes with the different gear set. I can't remember what it's called, but I will leave a link in the description. And so you can own a different gear set with that. You could also cut up the Mofo motor mount and make this adjustable. This I just cut a factory motor mount to make this one, and I'll show you how I did that. So here is your factory transmission. Let's get in focus there. And then factory motor mount just goes on there like so. So all I did was took this pretty much, there we go, flipped it like that. So you're going to want to trim off, get in your hole, there you go. You're going to want to trim off a little bit down here and then re-drill a hole so that lines up. So you can make a screw in there. I just used, you can line that hole up with that top one there and use that one, which is what I did, and then re-drill another hole lower here to run into that one. And then down here, you'll just need to trim off. Oh, come on. You'll need to trim off some of this down here as well to get that all to fit how you want. And you don't necessarily need to go in those. You kind of move this around anywhere you want, as long as the position from this hole here and this hole here are the same. So as long as that distance is the same, you could flip this however which way you want, run it all the way down there, just trim off whatever you need to, drill any other holes. But that is how I mounted that one up. So let's see if get some better lighting. Hold on. So yeah, that's basically it. And this whole transmission and everything, if you didn't notice, is flipped. So regularly the motor and everything will go forward. In this case, it would be all over the servo. And it looks pretty cool in the bed. So Mofo torque beast as well. Oh, and also running the Scx servo. We'll be running the FuryTech electronics in that. But yeah, so that is how you get the top mount motor out of a stock motor mount. Hope you have a wonderful day, and that helps out.